Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking and reviewing these dog buttons that I found on Amazon. I am so excited to use these with our dog Max, so check this out you guys. It comes with everything you need, including even stickers, so you can help your dog understand what they need to click and why. So check these out. You get everything you possibly need, including a little play mat, which is incredible. And here are the buttons. They even come with all the necessary batteries that you're going to need, and you get 6 buttons overall. So let's take these out, put the batteries in, and get it started. Alright you guys, so I took all the batteries and put them in each one of the buttons, so I'm going to do the last one with you guys. It is super simple and easy. All you got to do is pull this little tab up and it's going to pop open just like that. You have your batteries, of course, and all you gotta do is place them correctly. So make sure you place them in the correct poles. You want to make sure they're inside just like this, and then you're just going to slide this back on and check it out. So all of these already have sounds, but you can make your own. Right here, you're going to see a record button. All you got to do is press and hold and record your message, and then you can make a sound like anything you want. There you go, you guys. It is that easy. Of course, you have these to place the buttons down. You want to make sure that they don't move, even though that these are pretty already in there. I really like these, and I love the mat as well. Check out all of these colors, and then you get to kind of customize them to whatever you like. If you want to teach your dog yes or no, they just hit it with their paw, and it's that simple. Again, you can record whatever message you want, and I think these are so great. So maybe you're going to want to teach your dog how to say that they want to go outside, or that they're hungry, or that they call you dad or mom. These are incredible. You can make them say whatever you want, and I think that is amazing, especially for dog training. So go check these out, you guys. 10 out of 10.